Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Good morning, viewers. आज मुझे लाइव अचण जो मकसद ये हो त from yesterday I have received many phone calls from my viewers that how we can get a Australian immigration if I am a hairdresser. तो उन जे लाइ मां लाइव आयुसि त बाबा हेयर ड्रेसर त ठीकु आहे पर तव्हांखे को टेफ जो को टेक्निकल कोर्स तमामु ज़रूरी आहे। तव्हांखे को सर्टिफिकेट हुजे, को टेक्निकल कोर्स जो सर्टिफिकेट लाज़मी आहे ऐं उन सां गॾु तव्हांखे IELTS जनरल उन में बैंड स्कोर हुजे 7.5 और 6.5। मोस्ट ऑफ माई अदर पीपल दे आर प्लम्बर्स। अनफॉर्चुनेटली असां वटि जेको प्लम्बर आहे, हमारे पास जो प्लम्बर है, हमारे पास जो टेक्नीशियन है, उनकी क्वालिफिकेशन काफ़ियों की तो है भी नहीं। दे हैव ओनली एक्सपीरियंस। बट फॉर ऑस्ट्रेलियन इमिग्रेशन you must have some qualification related to your experience. When I receive a call early in the morning, one of the plumber, he was asking me, sir, I'm really interested, but I can't speak English. For that particular person, I will tell you that it's not too late. You must start right now to learn English language from your local guides, from your local area. There are heaps of the institutes. If you are Larkana, if you are Sakkar, if you are any city of Pakistan, you must have to attain English language courses. And for technical skills that can be utilized in Australia, but your language is more important because you have to interact with the people in Australia in language English. One nurse, she called me early in the morning and she told me that I have a 4-year bachelor, but my English is not good. So it is possible that I can be a registered nurse in Australia. I say I will talk to my friend in Melbourne and he will guide me that if your English is so poor, then whether you will qualify or not. IELTS is very necessary, even though nursing on demand, pharmacy on demand, genetic engineering on demand, and technical expertise are on the demand for the Australia. But even though you require IELTS, without that they can't accept your application. Now for the doctors, I'm really happy about one of my Facebook friend, Dr. Shahid Sarki. He has done a wonderful job for all of us, and he's also, I will request him that he will guide us that how a professional medical people they can register as a Australian medical examination in Australia. Because if you have a degree from Pakistan, India and any other country, you must qualify the Australian Medical Council examination. And many of the doctors, after getting their MPH, after getting their diploma or MBBS, they are still qualified for Australian Medical Council. So I will request Dr. Shahid Sarki, he is in Newcastle, that he will guide us and he will step to step guide us, and then we will. The prime objective, जेको मुझो prime objective आए हिते रहण जो मुझो मकसद इहो आहे त I will at least 1000 from my province Sindh, especially another part of the Pakistan, I will be responding. But I'm responsible that I can have 1000 of the families from my areas. They can migrate to Australia and they can live the quality life. अगर तव्हां 1000 फैमिलीज़ को आप सेटल करते हैं, इसका मतलब है कि अल्लाह आपको अजर भी देगा और मेरी भी रिस्पॉन्सिबिलिटी, बिकॉज आई हैव लॉट ऑफ स्किल्स, आई कैन मोटिवेट पीपल. फॉर IELTS, फॉर दोज हु आर इन सिंध, पंजाब, please visit the YouTube of Faraz Bugyo. Dr. Faraz Bugyo is working as a professor in Sindh University, and Recently, I have viewed his videos on the YouTube. He has done a tremendous work for those who are interested in IELTS, English Language Testing System. So he have different programs, and he live 5 to 6 times. I've been watching this program on Facebook. So he will also guide him. I will also request Faraz Bugyo Saab that you have to guide our students, you have to guide our people of Sindh, Punjab, KPK and other parts of the Pakistan, especially Balochistan. I request all of the Balochistan people that they should forward, because right now the majority in Australia, they are from KPK and Punjab. Very few migrants from the Sindh as well as from the Balochistan. So we have to develop skills for people who are really want to go Australia. In a recent time, because every year I used to go there, this is the only year in 2020 because of pandemic I'm not going there. Otherwise every year I will used to go Armadale and Sydney and Melbourne to present my research papers. Because I'm more associated with Australia, because I've been there from last 27 years. And I used to go there for different occasions, conferences, and I realized, because Australia is the heaven for all of us. And look, Papa, those people जो लोग एडमिशन लेके जाना चाह रहे हैं, उनके लिए स्कॉलरशिप के लिए मैं अवेलेबल हूँ. I will try to manage, I will try to give you, I will try to guidance. मेरा मकसद यही है कि जो पुअर लोग हैं वो जाएं और अपने फैमिलीज को सेटल करें. Why? Because I'm from a poor family. I settled down. जब आप गरीब होते हैं तब आपको अपॉर्चुनिटी की तलाश भी होती है. तो आप सारे जो भी लोग मुझे सुन रहे हैं वो आज से ये तय कर लें कि आपने इंग्लिश लैंग्वेज में अपने आप को थोड़ा सा इम्प्रूव करना है लैंग्वेज को. IELTS की टेक्निक्स हैं, टेक्निक्स वो आप डेली यूट्यूब पे जाएं, IELTS लिखें, उसके वीडियोस डाउनलोड करें और उसके बाद उन वीडियोस को आप गौर से सुनें. You don't need any book, you don't need anything, because now world is globalized. In globalized world you don't need anything. You need just internet and YouTube, and you have to write down what you want. आखिर में मैं सब दोस्तों को रिक्वेस्ट करूँगा कि प्लीज़ आप वीडियोस को आगे शेयर करें उन दोस्तों को जिनको पता नहीं है. दे विल वर्क ऑन दिस. थैंक यू वेरी मच.